Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. One of the most exhilarating cars you can drive is one of these little Cobra Roadsters. They are awesome, like a go-kart on steroids. They handle, they're loud, you got the wind blowing through your hair, they're fast. This one here is a Factory 5 reproduction of the 1965 Shelby Cobra Roadster. Go to volocars.com, that's where you'll find all the specs, pricing, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other cars all for sale. But right now, why don't you join me and we'll go for a spin in this exciting car. Like I said, Factory 5 is the builder of this car. They're one of the higher quality kits available. You can go to their website, it's very impressive. The whole structure, the chassis, big steel, tubular chassis components, very significant chassis. There's over 40 laser cut aluminum panels. The floors are aluminum, the engine bay and the trunk, and you'll see all that. I'll show it to you. It's all aluminum panels. It's not just fiberglass. It is a composite body. It's very authentic in shape and size to the original. It's got a beautiful guardsman blue finish, nice metallic finish. The body is absolutely straight, fits nice. It's a very high quality body. Under the hood, we'll get to in a minute, but it is a 5.0 supercharged engine that's in there. This one has the vintage style wheels. The pipes are coated. It's got the bullet style mirrors, got the wing windows, the tinted visors, has the bumpers. It's all an accessory on one of these cars. This car has been on the Power Tour in 2018. This is a car you get in and drive. That's what this car is meant for. Get in and drive it. But this was driven long distance from Kentucky to North Carolina, through Alabama, Georgia. So there are some rock chips up here on the front and right in front of the rear tires. Does have some little rock chips. Like I said, this one's been driven. But the quality of the body and the fit and finish, there's no damage, nothing cracking. It's an excellent shape. Also has this pop-up gas cap, chrome roll bar. This one, the hood lifts off. It's very light, so not a big issue. Let me set it out of the way here. But it's a 5.0 fuel-injected Mustang engine with a Kenny Bell supercharger. And I was looking these up online. This is some serious stuff. These superchargers start at like $3,000. It's called a twin screw. It's got a Kenny Bell Flowzilla intake. It's a very substantial unit here. It's got power steering, serpentine belt system, electronic ignition, got some nice aluminum Cobra valve covers. When the car's up on the lift, you look at it from underneath, looking at the bottom of the motor is spotless. It looks like it hasn't even been used. It's got radiator with electric fan. Up front, it's all tubular suspension with adjustable coilover shocks. It's a 4-link suspension in back, also with adjustable coilover gas shocks. It's got the 5-speed transmission. I think it's an 8.8 Ford rear end with an aluminum SVO cover. It's kind of funny, I was looking at the pictures because the car is short. I say it's got the world's shortest drive shaft. It's about that long, custom made for these cars. Inside the car, you got these racing style seats with the seat belts, all full set of gauges, Ford Motorsport gauges. Got some nice Cobra embroidered floor mats. The Shelby style steering wheel. In the trunk compartment, see it's all aluminum panels here. This is what I was talking about. Instead of just part of the fiberglass mold, this is more authentic. It's more, it's supposed to be more durable, stronger, lightweight. But I'm sure you'd like to hear how this thing sounds. So we'll start it up for you. It's got disc brakes at all 4 wheels. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Oh, that's the horn. There's a toggle switch under the dash that needs to be on. You don't want to burn your legs on the pipes getting in and out. This also has the assembly manual. Tell you what, all Cobras are loud. That one actually hurt my ears, probably being in this little room, but that motor sounds healthy, snappy. This car is only like 20-something 100 pounds. With that engine, you're going to have a blast driving this car. So whoever gets it, you're going to have a good time. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can go and see all the pictures, top to bottom. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll answer all your questions about the car, shipping, financing, whatever questions you may have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. And we're getting some really exciting cars, so glad you enjoy them and hope you come back for more. Thank you.